In this video, we are going to disable the App Store called Getapps because it automatically downloads apps and games, which can often include viruses. Additionally, we'll get rid of ads by disabling MSA, as it is the service responsible for showing advertising within native applications. There are only two steps. 1. Disable Getapps. Go to Settings and search for Authorization and Revocation. Once there, disable both Getapps and MSA. 2. Block notifications. While still in Settings, go back and click on Apps. Search for Getapps. Go to Notifications and select No or Off. And that's it.